What if you can run a single command in Claude and drive free traffic to your website? Let me show you how. Step 1. Open Claude and run this prompt. You enter two things: your niche and the product or the goal you are promoting. In a few seconds, Claude gives you a list of what I call topic patterns, which is like a repeatable keyword structure you can scale across hundreds of pages. Step number 2, pick a pattern. I'll go with this one. Now I'll ask Claude to generate 20 keywords based on this pattern. And I'll do a simple validity check. I'll open the bulk keyword tool, paste the keywords, and check for search volume. Here we are not chasing big numbers. As long as you see some search traffic, some search activity across the pattern, you are good, and let's move on. Now, step number 3, we take the pattern and create a page template with Claude. Please focus very well here. Every page template must have 4 things. And this is what separates real value from AI-generated junk. Number 1, unique angle. What makes your content different and unique? I'll show you a real example from my content in a few seconds. Number 2, fresh data. Thanks to Claude and web search, we can generate real validated content today and not stale old content. Number 3, the template should be optimized for both SEO and AIO. We want traffic from both Google and AI models. And number 4, which is super critical, it should be goal blended. You remember the first prompt? We set the goal and the product and the niche. Each page template should be like a funnel to your goal. So I'll paste this prompt in Claude that will take my pattern and generate a page template for this pattern. And what's nice, you can see the template directly in Claude artifacts here. Now, before we move on, and this is super critical, don't accept the first version. Go back and forth with Claude, push back, change things, ask for updates, keep refining until you are fully satisfied with the template. Before step 4, let me show you a real example from my website I'm building right now. The AI coding blocks. The interactive visuals and animations is my unique angle. All the data you see here is fresh and verified. And you can see here the goal is to drive conversions and sales to my courses. So now we have the pattern, we have the template, we are ready for step number 4. And here where things get super powerful. We are turning this into a Claude skill, which will be like a reusable system to generate pages on your website based on this pattern and template. So first, let's install the skill creator skill in Claude. This will help you create a skill for Claude. Then I will run this prompt to create the skill for my pattern and template. In a few seconds, you will have the skill and you can install in Claude in just one click. Perfect. Before we move on to step number 5 and scale this system, we need to test this. So I'll open a new Claude session and I will test the skill I created. Simply, I will ask it to generate a new page template using a new keyword. It's that simple. Now check the results. Does it match the template you want? Does it match the same pattern? Does it follow everything you want? If there's something missing, just ask Claude to refine the skill and tweak it to match your results. When you are done, we are ready to scale with step number 5. Now the skill is ready, the template is ready, the pattern is ready. We are ready to scale, but the problem is creating pages inside Claude this way is somehow boring and it's not scalable the way we want. So I'll move into Claude Code inside your website project. And to make things simple for you, I'll show you a real example now, practical real example inside my main website's project. You can see here there's a skill for the AI coding blocks I created. Before we use it, as a simple good practice, you can create a custom Claude command so you can easily tell Claude what to create. It's super simple. Go to the .claude folder, commands, create a simple MD file with a prompt to call the skill and generate it. Even Claude can do this for you. I'll explain this in detail in my full free video here in Learning Claude Code in 17 minutes. You can check it in the description below. Look at this now. Look how I generate a new page in a few minutes. Hit enter and just wait for the magic to happen. And you can see here now, this is my new page ready to go live online. Now as a pro tip, what we can do is to ask Claude to spawn multiple sub-agents, and each agent can run this custom command and generate multiple pages at the same time, or simply open multiple Claude instances or tabs and run the commands inside it so you can generate pages way faster at the same time. What you saw right now in this video is called programmatic SEO. But in 2026, with the power of Claude features and skills, it's AI-powered programmatic SEO and AIO. So one skill, one command, one template, and one pattern, hundreds of pages. Each page pulls a little traffic, multiply that by hundreds, and I think you got the idea. One more pro tip from my website. If you open my custom backend that I build, you see here I have a custom page for analytics. What I did here is I connected Google Analytics and Google Search Console directly into my website so I can monitor and see what's going on, and I can quickly spot opportunities to get traffic to my website. And if you are wondering how I build all these things, it's all about learning how to prompt Claude the right way with the right building blocks. So you can build your dream project in days, even if you haven't coded in your life. And that's exactly what I teach on my Solo Builder course. You can check it out in the description below. All the prompts, the full guide, everything mentioned today in this video is free in the description below. Grab them and go get some traffic to your website.